Hello everyone, welcome back to Hills Holidays. I just wanted to give a little update for the channel, what's happening, where we're going, what's coming up in 2025. So I just want to say thank you so much for all the views, the support the channel's got. It might sound small to you, but to me the growth has been brilliant, and I can't wait to see what 2025 is going to bring. So just to let you know, next week, as of the 10th of February, we are heading to Butlins Minehead, and we're staying in the Park View chalets. So not quite the best ones, but you know, they're a lot better than the standard accommodation. So stay tuned, we'll bring you lots of videos from resort, show you what the room's like, how they compare to a normal room, how much bigger they are they really worth it, etc. So stay tuned for that. We're going next week, 10th of February, so videos will be coming out somewhere after that. I just want to say as a thank you to all the support, we're just going to run like a little giveaway on the channel. It'll be really simple, so for you to enter, all you got to do is like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Could be anything, could be a one word, could be a sentence, could be some feedback, could be anything you like. Just drop it down below, and then we'll pick a winner from that list. So there'll be more information in the description below, and we'll run it throughout the videos that come out from Butlins Minehead. The gift will just be something from the store, so we'll go around, we'll have a look around the Butlins store. We'll pick a gift, and depending on how popular it turns out to be, if there's lots of you that tune in, lots of you that enter the giveaway, I might pick up a couple of smaller gifts as well from the store. So we'll have 3 gifts to give away, 3 items to give away, with one main present, one main gift, one main giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you read the description of how to enter. There'll be terms and conditions that YouTube make you publish and whatnot down below as well, and that'll be live from this video. So if you want to enter, and you want to stick around and see what's coming up in 2025, like, subscribe, drop us a comment, and that'll be you entered. What I'm thinking is I'll probably let you run an entry per video. So every comment in each video will get you 1 entry per video. So if we run 10 videos with a giveaway and you run 10 comments, that'll be 10 entries. We'll put everyone's name onto a big wheel, we'll publish it on the channel, so there's no way we can lie about it. You know, it'll all be done properly, and then we'll give that as a giveaway. If you win, we'll try and get in contact, provide me a contact email, something like that. We'll get in contact, we'll ship it out to you as soon as we can. And like I say, if it's popular, maybe we'll run 3, we'll have 3 different winners. Let's say, so stay tuned, we'll see what we can find in the store. And yeah, so let me know as well what you want to see from Minehead. So they got the new Sky Park, so we'll make sure we'll cover the Sky Park, the accommodation. Let me know what else you want to see. There's a few things in the town perhaps, whether it's the beach, things on resort. Let me know, and obviously your comment, as long as you're subscribed, will also count as an entry to the giveaway. So let me know what you think would be useful, what would be interesting, and what you want to see from Minehead. And before we finish up, we have another break in July. So if the giveaway is good and the feedback is good from it, we'll run another giveaway and we'll run it back in July. So we'll do another one through the summer, and then also towards the end of the year in October, we are going to Benidorm for 8 nights, 7 days, 8 nights, something like that. So stay tuned for Benidorm, because you will not want to miss it, that's for sure. Anyway, thanks guys. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe, get yourself in the giveaway. We're starting it now, so it'll be live from now. We'll get some presents, we'll get some gifts, something to give away. Even let me know down below what you might want to see from the store. We're hoping the new gifts are in for 2025. If they're not, we'll get something else, we'll give that away, and then come July we'll do the yearly present gift, Binky, Billy Bear toys, whatever they are. And depending on what we win from the claw machines as well in the arcade, maybe one of those goes in the giveaway. We'll see. Let's see how it goes. Let me know what you want to see from Minehead down below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys. Take care. Bye bye.